Today I am going to show you how to design a sign up form. So this is my sign up form. This is the heading of the form. Here we have a 4 text boxes: username, password, confirm password, email address, and we have a one drop down box and one button, submit button. So here the form background color is light green color and shadow color is deep pink color. Now I am going to fill the form: name, password, confirm password, and email address. Country is India. Now I am going to submit the form. So form is submitting. Now I am going to show you how to design the exactly the same sign up form. Just to go to the Sublime Text. Here this is the HTML skeleton. In this body section I am going to write the code. In the form, in this form I am going to create the table structure. So table class equal to, I am taking tab class name, just applying the CSS, and align equal to center. Here cell padding equal to 4 pixel, cell spacing equal to 4 pixel, and I am going to take width equal to 40%. In this table I am going to create the rows. In this row just create one TD. In this TD I am going to create the heading. Heading is sign up. Now I am going to see the output. So here the sign up is displayed. Now I am going to create the all the component. Here the heading for input type equal to text, name equal to name, I am giving placeholder equal to username. Now I am going to see the output. Now the text box is created. Here I want to display the center sign up. Now I am going to create the remaining fields. Here input type equal to password, name equal to, just I am saying placeholder equal to password. Here I am going to create a confirm password. Type password and here CFAS. Here confirm password. Next I am going to create the input type text, name equal to email, placeholder equal to email address, and I am going to create the drop down box. So here remove the input type. Here I am taking in the TD, I am creating the select. In this select name equal to country, and I am taking class equal to drop for applying the CSS. Here I am going to take option value equal to, I am taking -1 for selecting the default. Selected is the country. Now I am going to create the remaining drop down. Here take the 1 and India. I am going to create the remaining 3. So here value equal to 2, 3, 4, India, USA, UK, China. Now I'm going to see the output. So now all the text box is created and drop down also created. Now I'm going to create the button. Copy here. Here input type equal to, I'm going to take submit. Remove this part and value equal to submit, class equal to, I'm taking BTN for applying the CSS for button. Now I'm going to see the button also created. Now I'm going to apply the CSS for all these things. First I am applying the CSS for body. So body background, I want to take background image. Background image I want to take, background image I am taking from my local disk. Here I have this background I want to apply. So copy the path and paste it here. Just to change the forward slash. Check. Now the background is setting. Close this. Now I'm going to apply CSS for text box and password field. Input type text, comma, here password, and same I want to apply this drop down also. Copy the class name here. In this I'm going to set padding equal to 15 pixel and 15 pixel, and border radius equal to, I'm going to take 15 pixel. Width equal to 60% and margin left equal to, I'm taking 20%. Align equal to center. So all the CSS is applied for buttons and drop down. Now I am going to apply same for button also. So button same properties I am going to apply, and background color here I am going to set deep pink color. Now button also is created. Now I am going to apply CSS for table. I'm going to apply CSS for table. Just copy table. Here for table I am applying margin top. Margin top equal to 80 pixel, and background color equal to, I am taking light green color, and box shadow equal to 10 pixel, 10 pixel, 10 pixel, 10 pixel, and deep pink color. Sorry, here I want to take deep pink color, and border radius equal to 40 pixel. So now the form is created. Now I am going to fill the form. mahesh@gmail.com, country is India. Now I am going to submit the form. Now the form is submitting. Friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.